Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm sitting outside one of my houses, and we have a freeze moving through here in Dallas, Texas. And if you wait last minute to freeze proof your house like I did, you're going to be out of luck at the hardware stores. So, I have another quick little fix I wanted to share with you guys. Instead of buying those faucet covers for your outdoor water spigots, all you'll need is some good old duct tape and some old towels. So, let's get to it. All right, so this one is close to the ground, so I have a piece of towel here, just an old rag. It doesn't require a huge section. All you got to do is just cover the spigot, and then now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna tape it up with duct tape to keep it in place. Just kind of wrap it all around. That way you make sure the towel doesn't move. And then just rip it off, and we're done. Doesn't look pretty, but it'll work.